Hello teacher, hello friend. My name is Maria Ruelia Ramirez Escobar. I am 52 years old and I am a teacher at an excellent institution. My nationality is Colombian and I live in the department of Antioquia, in the municipality of Vegachi. I love ranching and sharing with my students. My daily routine consists of I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I take a shower, I brush my teeth. Then I put on makeup and get dressed. I go to the kitchen and make coffee. I love you coffee. Then I prepare breakfast to take to work with me. After that, I went into my car and drive to the school where I work. I meet with my students and carry out creative or joyful activities that help them to learn new things. I love you, my sister. I love you, my student. I also teach workshops to my fellow teachers. But I am most passionate about implanting plants and making school gardens with all students. All of this is so that they can learn to investigate. In the Stu's garden, they learn to prepare the land, make the beds, create the seeds, and plant the seedlings in the beds. On the other hand, they learn to make fertilizer with organic material and also to construct a house their own. Called verticulture to generate organic fertilizers. This is activate for students. Activities of students. Activities of students. Activities of student. The investigation. Finally, they learn to collect the fruits of the great work they did. They happily go home with food for their family. The students are happy doing this work because they learn many things about the fauna and flora, and also how to better use the natural resource. Then I routine home in my car. I cook dinner. I prepare class for the following day. I take a shower. I brush my teeth and then I go to bed and sleep. So I'm ready for the next day and I can continue with my daily routine. Thanks for listening to me. Adios.